Just one mistake can cost you a lot, your profit, your reputation, and even your whole business. In this video, I'll share some of the common mistakes that many eBay sellers make. Also, I'll share how you can prevent such mistakes and stay ahead of your competitor. Most of the eBay sellers don't understand how product is seen and sold. When a customer searches with a keyword, what do they see at the first glance? Images, and then maybe the title and the price. Now, if these are not good enough to attract the customers, then they will not click on your item and jump to your competitors. For example, here I search with vintage wallet. Looking at the image, I would try to understand if it is best fit for me. And here, the first mistake that many sellers make is that they are not focusing on good quality images, especially the main image, because it really matters when a shopper's going to shop online. Then I will check if the title represents what I am looking for. So it is important for sellers to include the main keywords and important selling points in the title. Here you can take the help of eBay search tool. Like what I do, I go to eBay product research tool and try to understand what are the competition here. Like if I search for vintage wallet for men, then you can see there are only 39 sellers using this specific keyword. And if I look at the 1 month data, this is the graph. This looks pretty promising for me. So the idea is you can take the keyword and put it in your title. So there is a good chance to rank on the search page. Also, you can use Zik Analytics as it helps you with the search volume, competitions, sales, and also with some more keyword phrases that you can use your title and description. Talking about description, try to make it as detailed as possible. But I'll recommend to use eBay description template, which is very similar to A+ content of Amazon. Like here you can see, Boost on Time is offering a lot of eBay templates to make it more nicer, smarter, and attractive for the customer to help them making the buying decisions. You can choose any theme, and if you like it, simply connect it with your eBay products. And if you do, your eBay product description will turn from this to this. Great, right? Now another big mistake eBay sellers do is that they don't understand the customers on eBay. eBay is known for its good quality products at a cheaper price. So customer here come to buy a product with good deals. For instance, look at the price differences of exactly same product in Amazon and eBay. Also on this search page, this one is comparatively lower in price than this wallet. If I go to the listing, this item sold 137 units and this one sold 90. That means lower prices affect the sales volume. That is what most eBay sellers don't understand. So what you do is you can keep your price a bit lower than your competitor. Another trick is if your price is $50, you can sell it at $49.99 to attract more customers. Even a cent matters when you sell online. And eBay customer always look for a good deal. So when you price your product, make sure you offer a good deal. Another mistake eBay sellers make is they don't take discount or coupon seriously because giving discount affect their profit margin. However, you can follow a simple trick. Suppose your item's price is $50. What you can do, you list your price at $60 and give a 16% discount. This way, you keep your price the same, but customers feel like they are getting a great deal. To set a discount on any listing, go to Seller Hub. Now from marketing, click on discount. Now in the create discount, you can find options such as coupons, sales event, and volume pricing. Let me show you how you can set strike through price. In eBay, it's called sales event. Click this. Now set the percentage or amount, set a start and end date. Now add items. After this, click on launch and you are all set. Now we have a detailed video on how you can promote your listing. I will give you link in the description. Go check this out. Now come to the shipping. Many sellers make mistakes in shipping, such as slow shipping, high shipping prices, incorrect shipping information, and poor packaging. All these mistakes can harm your business by leading to bad reviews, refund, and ultimately lost customers. So try to offer faster shipping like 2-day or 3-day. This can significantly improve your sales. The best you can do is offer free shipping. When buyers see a product with an extra shipping charge, it turns them off. But free shipping will attract them. This way, you still cover the shipping cost while attracting buyers with free shipping. It's a win-win. Another thing is if you give the wrong tracking number or don't keep buyers update, it can lead to confusion and complaints. Always double check your shipping details before sending them to buyers. If you don't pack things securely, they might get broken during shipping. Use strong packaging and make sure fragile items are well protected. These are the mistakes you should avoid to increase your sales on eBay. Another thing is that many sellers make mistake is not focusing on inventory management. If you run out of popular items or have too many items that don't sell well, it can hurt your sales. Keep track of your inventory to make sure you have the right amount of stock. Well, that's it. I think you got this now. By avoiding this common mistake and continually improving your selling practices, you can increase your sales. I hope you found these tips helpful for your eBay journey. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And you can email us at info@ecomclips.com. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.